Are you facing problem to communicate with deaf and dumb people? Don't you understand their sign language? It's okay. We are here to help you and we have solution for these problems.
Hi, I am Balavu Surmala. Thank you for selecting us for the final round of Avishkar project competition. Our project title is Smart Gloves for Sign Language Conversion for Deaf and Dumb. Our project ID is PROJ underscore GEN underscore 36. On behalf of our team members Abhijit Darekar, Bhumika Mahajan Chattar, Apeksha Shalwadi, I am demonstrating our project. First, I will describe our problem statement. In general, normal people cannot understand sign language easily. In most of the cases, deaf and dumb school teachers and their family members only can understand sign language easily and properly. If deaf and dumb people go outside, they face lot of problems and the communication between them and normal people is somewhat problematic and inconvenient. So we have found solution for this problem. The proposed system will be able to convert different hand gestures into text message on smartphones. This is how we design Smart Glow. First, I will tell components used in our product. The Smart Glow consists of 5 flex sensors, gyroscope, Bluetooth and Arduino Nano and power supply. All flex sensors, gyroscope and Bluetooth is connected to Arduino. Flex sensors are used to measure the amount of bending in fingers. It creates resistance output which is sent to detection unit. Here we use MPU 6050 gyroscope sensor to measure the orientation and rotation of hand. The data obtained from flex sensor and gyroscope is sent to Arduino for further processing. For data transmission purpose, here we use SG05 Bluetooth module. It is used to transmit the data to the smartphone. Here we have developed an Android app for showing text message as the output on a smartphone. First, we need to connect the Android device with Smart Glow through Bluetooth. So that first we connect Bluetooth. Now I am connecting Android device with a Smart Glow through Bluetooth. Here we can check status. We attach each finger with binary value 0 and 1. On bending, we consider it as 0, whereas 1 on straight. We concentrate more on emergency code and some of the normal day-to-day conversations. Now I can show some outputs. Initially all flex sensors are straight, so it shows message as hi there on smartphone. Now I can show some alphabets and numbers. If I bend my fingers like this, it shows message as alphabet A on smartphone. If I bend my fingers like this, it shows message as alphabet D on smartphone. If I bend my fingers, all fingers bent like this, it shows message as C, alphabet C. If I bend my fingers like this, it shows message as alphabet L on smartphone. If I do this hand gesture, It shows message as 1 on smartphone. On doing this hand gesture, it shows message as I need food. For this symbol, it shows message as I need water. For this sign, it shows message as I need first aid box on smartphone. If I do sign as this, it shows message as I need to go for washroom on smartphone. On doing this hand gesture, it shows message as I need your phone to call someone. On doing this hand gesture, it shows message as I need your help. For this sign, it shows message as I need chair. If I do this sign, it shows message as all the best. If I do sign as this, it shows message as yes. If I do hand gesture as like this, it shows message as no. If I do hand gesture like this, it shows message as thank you. If I do sign like this, it shows message as what. Next, I do sign like this. It shows output as where. Then I do sign like this. It shows output as super. If I tilt my hands like this, it shows message as bye. This is how our product works. Now our product is at prototype stage. It is not final one. Still we are developing our product and we are planning to implement some advanced concept into our product.
Like this, we can bridge communication gap between normal people and deaf and dumb people so that they can communicate with normal people easily, and it helps to share their feelings conveniently. This smart glove is lightweight and handy. We can carry this smart glove anywhere easily, and it is comfortable to wear. Nowadays, everyone has smartphones so that we can connect it easily. We hope that our product will help needy people in society. Thank you.